Poor mom dog and her pups were rescued by the Voiceless Dogs of Nassau, Bahamas. I received a call that a homeless mother dog just had puppies under a broken truck in someone's yard. And she has been badly attacked by other dogs every time she was trying to come out from under the truck to find food. I told the woman I could not help as I am leaving tomorrow. But she said she was afraid the other dogs would end up killing the newborns, and I ended up asking for directions to come for them. This little girl was so sweet, wagging her tail, and it wasn't until I had her in the crate when I saw her tail. It looked scalded from boiling water poured on her. This is not the first time when people would pour boiling water on the strays while they are mating, as it is exactly what happened to two of my homeless. She let me give her a bath and now is resting in her own huge room at the new remodeled barn. They have a huge room all to themselves. And I already designated which of my workers would take the responsibility of caring for them until my return. I have cameras set up through the entire refuge and I can view it from my phone. I did not expect to have anyone else coming, but just looking at them safe, I don't regret a thing. Especially the picture of her little baby smiling when I pulled him from under the truck. Priceless. Please support for the Voiceless Dogs of Nassau, Bahamas.